Here's a Hunter low profile 5 fan running on low speed. Inhibition on medium and high. And then spin down. Now for showing motor running without the blades. This one was the northest fan in the bar. That one is slower than the others, and that's how I can tell it's the northest fan. But it does start up about the same, so it must have been a pitch. I remember in 2015 the motor went out of one or two hooks on a mounting bracket, and someone was able to fix it. But on the first one, same thing happened, but they weren't able to fix it when they tried twice, and that's why I got it early. And this replaced Harbor Bay Centerville, which I also got as well. And I got 3 other low profile 5. While it's lower than 3 other Hunter low profile 5 fans, it's still about the same, if not faster, than speeds on a lot of 1990s Hunter, like Summer Breeze and Passport. It has some beery noise and probably a little bit. It blows a good amount of air. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.